as many of you may know, there's a large Guyanese diaspora in Trinidad and Tobago. Today is about, under President Ali's remigration scheme. There are a couple of initiatives we started taking to reach most of the Guyanese diaspora here. Under the remigration scheme, part of it is telling people about all the advancements and development that's happening in Guyana right now, and we want the diaspora to be a part of that. Food brings people together, music brings people together, and you know, it's a family-oriented atmosphere. So that was the aim of today, to generate that family atmosphere.
Go! Something for them. Yeah, I love it. I love it.
We are a multicultural country. We have everybody that live in here, and we're all one human beings. And the stuff that they have is very tasty. Egg ball is a main hit. Well, I feel excited to go to Guyana. I have friends in Guyana and family, so I'm looking forward for the trip. Everybody must have a taste of Guyana.
Our name, as you see, says 50-50 because our parents, half is Guyanese, half is Trini, half and half. So that's why, so the flavors in the curry duck, we measured. So it's a little bit of Guyanese, a little bit of Trini. It's a little bit of both. Whether we say curry duck or duck curry, for me, is the same thing. This is the main ingredient here. This apparatus here, what we call the Lorahani sill, is one of the main things that we use to grind the masala. So we normally, well, I don't have much because we normally buy everything from scratch and prepare it ourselves. What I like most about when you go to Guyana is the treatment, the way people treat you. They could give you the last dollar they have. They want to know what you want. They want to give you the best that they have. That is something that I admire about Guyanese people. We'd like to thank the Guyana Consulate for having this event so that, we could all come together and, unite.
So today we're Potbelly. We entered the duck curry competition, and well, we already won most patriotic tent. And today we have present my family, which all of us are Guyanese, and then we have our considered family, our friends, everyone here that's supporting and having a good time. Judging already took place, and we're just enjoying the evening now.
I have to say this is a lovely event. I am so happy that they had this event. So we Trinidadians have been exposed to the Guyana food, culinary, cuisine, everything. And in connection with our potbelly curry duck, I have to say this is the best. I've tasted a few well here, and this is the best. Why I say it's the best? The seasoning is really, really great. The sauce, the gravy in it is not liquid. It's nice and thick, and the duck itself is coming off the bone. Really, really tasty and nice. I have to say thank you, Lakshmi, your husband, and the whole team for this potbelly curry duck. It's the best. And I really hope they win. I really hope they win.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Many thanks.
Singing in the US and Canada, I am coming back, man.
GT crew duck. It's on Jane right now. GT crew duck.
We invite you to come back home. Guyana is your home, and we want people in almost every sector. We need laborers, we need skilled people, we are building a country. Guyana is a country in transition, and all the people of our country are welcome back home. So all the Trinidadian Guyanese who are here, not that I don't want you to, I want you to abandon Trinidad, maintain your close relationship with Trinidad, but please, your country needs you now more than ever.
Guyanese all, good afternoon. You know, my two comrades came on stage and they tell you everything that I wanted to say. So I have to search my brain and find out what, and figure out what I should say. But I want to start by telling you that I am the original Guyanese Babu. Guyanese everywhere must pay an extra special interest in Guyana. Come home, right? Remember the song he said, pack your bag, right? Come home, even if it's coming home just for a holiday.
If you're having a good time at Taste of Guyana today, somebody make some noise!
दो दिल मिल रहे हैं, दो दिल मिल रहे हैं, मगर चुपके चुपके